Welcome to Pick of the Week from Power Semiconductors Weekly. Top industry stories this week. EPC began volume production of the EPC2366, first in its 7th generation eGaN platform. The 40-volt device delivers up to 3 times silicon performance, enabling cooler, denser power stages for synchronous rectification, high-density DC-DC, AI server power supplies, and motor drives. In a 3.3 by 2.6 mm PQFN package, it supports 48-volt transients and 88 amps continuous. Evaluation board is available with additional 25 15-volt parts head to mass production in the first half of 2026. RIR introduced 1200-volt silicon carbide merged pin Schottky diodes that combine Schottky efficiency with pin ruggedness, delivering near-zero reverse recovery, low high temp leakage, and high surge avalanche capability. The devices cut system losses, reduce snarl burst derating, and boost reliability for EV, OBC, DC-DC, data center AI power, renewables and grid, industrial drives, aerospace defense, and green hydrogen systems. Infineon Technologies launched new isolated gate drivers with opto-emulator inputs, drop-in compatible with optocouplers to ease silicon carbide migration without redesign. The new driver variants source up to 6.5 amps, deliver over 300 kV per microsecond CMTI, 40 nanosecond delay, and less than 10 nanosecond matching, and come in CTI 600 6-pin DSO package. They are UL 1577 certified, and evaluation boards available already now. We'll be back next week. Meanwhile, get your daily updates at powersemiconductorsweekly.com.